Hi, I'm Hannah, and I'm going to tell you about why I love UWM. I don't think that there's anything that could get me to trade my experience at UWM. Came in so shy and didn't know who I was or where to fit in, but at UWM, no matter who you are, you find your place. They're so supportive, but they also try to push you and challenge you, and the pass rate for the NCLEX, which is a nursing exam that you have to take before you're a registered nurse, seeing the pass rate so much higher than some of the other universities that I was looking at really pushed me to come here. We also have a simulation lab, so you get to go in and it's lower pressure, there's no judgment. You really have the experience of having a patient in front of you, and this is my 4th semester of having clinical experiences where I'm in a hospital, I'm working. You get this hands-on experience, so when you are a nurse, you know what to go in and expect. And there are people going through the ER, through labor and delivery, through all these different places, and if that's what you're looking for as far as a career, what better place than to have that hands-on experience? UW-Milwaukee has absolutely made me stronger as a person, not only in my nursing abilities, but in life. I just feel so much more confidence, like with the knowledge that UW-Milwaukee has given me.